Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Camaro seats. We will cover common issues, necessary tools, and the step-by-step process for effective repair. You'll learn to diagnose problems like worn fabric or a wobbly frame, ensuring a comfortable and safe driving experience. This guide aims to provide clear instructions, helping you restore your seat to excellent condition with confidence and precision. Once the seat is out, focus on the upholstery and cushioning. For small tears, a fabric patch kit can work wonders, saving you time and effort. If the fabric is extensively damaged, you'll need to remove the old cover and install a new one. Simultaneously, inspect the foam. If it's compressed by more than 1/2 inch, replacing it will significantly improve comfort and support. Secure new covers with hog rings for a factory-like finish. Next, address any structural or mechanical issues. Carefully examine the metal frame for any signs of damage, such as hairline cracks or bent sections, which might require welding or replacement. Check all bolts and fasteners. Often, a loose seat is simply due to a few untightened connections. If the recline or sliding mechanisms are faulty, replacing these specific components is usually straightforward, restoring full adjustability and safety to your seat. With repairs complete, it's time for reassembly. Carefully put all components back together, ensuring every bolt and clip is in its correct place and tightened to specification. Reinstall the seat into your Camaro, making sure all mounting points are secure. Before hitting the road, thoroughly test every adjustment, recline, slide, and any height features. A properly functioning and secure seat is crucial for both comfort and safety during every drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.